we took the bonnet off. Let me just show you the condition of what we've got here. So I'm going to undo these. Funny enough, I started getting a bit carried away because it all started with just a little polish, and then suddenly I ended up getting the toolkit out, and then I took the fuel tank off. The fuel tank's in good condition. And then I thought, oh, I wonder what the rockers are like. Bearing in mind it's sat here for years, so I did it all without filming it, and then I suddenly thought, do you know what? I should have filmed that. So I'm going to actually film it now and show you, so that I don't have to explain it. Right, just check out this. Look at the condition of those. I've checked them, they all move up and down, they're all fine, there's nothing jammed. They're in lovely condition. I've just got to check the clearances, but I'm not going to do that just yet. I just wanted to show you that. That's the first thing. Let's get those back on there. Right. So the next job, I'll come back to that, is the radiator. I want to get the radiator off because I want to change these hoses because they're just shot out. I do want to change that belt, and the drive dog down there is knackered. The what the handle goes into, if I pull the handle out, the drive dog it goes into is absolutely knackered. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut these. Now I'm just going to have to replace these anyway because they're all so old. As usual, my Stanley knife is useless. I don't really want the water to go inside the rocker cover. It does look like it's only water. I don't think there's any antifreeze. Alright, that's that one. This one. As usual, I've got a nice sharp Stanley knife. Water. I'm sure that's just water in there, although it does look a bit green. It's only a little bit. Okay. Now, I've undone the two bolts at the bottom of the radiator. So I'm assuming, oh yeah, that clipped through here. I've just undone that, so let's go across that one. Out there, is it? I'm going to replace all these anyway, so hell. Cut it off. Starting to move. Just chop those off all round. Because I want to get in here to wash it all out with some nice fresh water. Can I get to the bottom of that? No. Oh God. Do want to check the water pump as well. It's off. So now with a bit of luck, I've undone 2 bolts that were down here going upwards as well. And they go up and there's a shaft that pulls out like that. That's why it's coming off. There we go. Just put that there. So we've got the fan, the cog that I want to get off to replace, which is there. Loads of bird's nest and a little bit of grime. I shall persevere and give you an update very soon.